Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure financial literacy with Prudential, beginner guide step-by-step. Financial literacy is a crucial skill for navigating personal finances effectively. Begin by understanding the importance of financial literacy. Recognize that it empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Next, assess your current knowledge of financial concepts. Identify areas where you need improvement, such as budgeting, saving, or investing. Visit Prudential's website to access their financial literacy resources. Explore the various articles, videos, and webinars they offer. These resources cover a wide range of topics tailored for beginners. Start with basic concepts like budgeting and saving. Learn how to create a personal budget that fits your lifestyle. Set financial goals to help motivate your spending and saving habits. After grasping the basics, move on to saving strategies. Understand different saving accounts and their benefits. Learn about emergency funds and why they are essential. Next, familiarize yourself with credit scores and reports. Understand how they impact your financial health. Now, explore the world of investing. Learn about different investment vehicles such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider starting with low-cost index funds for beginners. Engage with Prudential's online tools to simulate budgeting and investment scenarios. Utilize their calculators to gauge savings potential over time. Participate in Prudential's financial literacy workshops if available in your area. These workshops often provide hands-on learning experiences. Connect with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. This can help clarify your financial goals and strategies. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan as your circumstances change. Keep yourself updated on financial news and trends. Follow trusted financial blogs or channels to stay informed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.